In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add periodic linear regressions in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can follow along on your own chart. Go ahead and open TradingView in your browser or app and load up any chart you'd like to work with. It can be a stock, crypto pair, forex pair, or anything you normally analyze. Once your chart is open and you're on a time frame you like, we're ready to begin. Start by moving your mouse to the top of the chart and look for the Indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar. Click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. This is the central place where you can search for, add, and manage all kinds of tools in TradingView, so it's helpful to get comfortable using this panel. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on that search box so you can type into it. If you already have other indicators loaded, don't worry, this won't remove them. We're just adding one more tool on top of your existing chart setup. Now in the search box, start typing Periodic Linear Regressions. As you type, TradingView will filter results in real time. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right script appears. Once you see Periodic Linear Regressions show up in the list, click on it one time. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You should now see a series of regression lines and channels overlaying your price action, updating as you move along the chart. These lines are designed to help you visualize the trend and periodic behavior of price over different segments of time. If you want to fine-tune how it looks or how it calculates, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top of your chart. Then click on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust inputs like length, colors, or line styles, so the regression fits your personal trading style and is easy for you to read. Because this indicator is part of the more advanced toolset, it's best experienced with TradingView Pro. If you're considering upgrading or you're not on Pro yet, check out the affiliate link in the video description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to more features and indicators inside TradingView. That's all you need to do to add periodic linear regressions in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps on your own chart, experiment with the settings, and integrate it into your analysis workflow.